Are you looking to get your permit to carry a concealed weapon in the state of South Carolina? If so, this video will show you the step-by-step process on how to get your South Carolina concealed weapons permit. But before we get into the video, a quick reminder. We have a secret gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below for your free entry. First of all, it's important that you know the gun and concealed carry laws in your home state and anywhere you carry. It's your responsibility to stay on the right side of the law. Now, in the state of South Carolina, this permit to carry is called a concealed weapons permit, and it is issued to you at the state level by the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division. Here are the steps you need to take to apply for your permit to carry in South Carolina. Step 1, complete a firearms training course and submit your certificate of completion. Firearms training requires the applicant to demonstrate a proficiency in both the use of handguns and state laws pertaining to handguns. Applicants for an initial permit after August 15, 2021 must complete an 8-hour handgun education course offered by a state, county, or municipal law enforcement agency or a nationally recognized organization that promotes gun safety within the last 3 years. The course must include statutory and case law of the state relating to handguns and the use of deadly force, handgun use and safety, proper storage practices for handguns with an emphasis on storage practices that reduce the possibility of accidental injury to a child, properly securing a firearm in a holster, cocked and locked carrying a firearm, how to respond to a person who attempts to take your firearm from your holster, de-escalation techniques and strategies, the actual firing of the handgun in the presence of an instructor with a minimum of 25 rounds fired. Next, applicants for the new CWP can choose to submit a paper application by downloading and completing an application form or by using the online Ident2Go registration system. At this time, the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division will continue to process all submitted applications received from the Ident2Go appointments made online and any applications made by mail. To use the online system, applicants begin the application online and set up an appointment at an available Ident2Go site. At the Ident2Go site, you can submit your CWP application documentation and have your fingerprints taken and sent to the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division electronically. Step 3, at your appointment, you will need the following documents: a photocopy of your driver's license or state ID card. Resident aliens must provide a copy of their alien card from the Department of Homeland Security. Military applicants must submit military orders or a copy of their DD-214. Retired law enforcement officers must submit proof of retirement benefits, pension documentation. Real property tax form R-168. For non-resident applicants, documentation of firearms training courses taken within 3 years or of an exemption, such as military orders for active duty military applicants and a DD-214 for retired or former military applicants. An application form signed by you and your firearms instructor, your South Carolina Law Enforcement Division CWP instructor student checklist, 2 complete fingerprint cards. For paper applications, mail the information to the address you see on the screen. Lastly, you will be notified within 90 days if your application has been approved. If you are approved, your permit is valid for 5 years from the date of issue. There you have it, the 5 necessary steps for applying for your South Carolina concealed weapons permit. From all of us at the USCCA, thank you for taking these necessary steps toward making your community a little bit safer. For additional details on fees, processing and delivery times, the renewal process, and other requirements for applying for your permit, visit USCCA.com. I'm Kevin Michalowski. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
The information contained in this guide or video is provided as a service and does not constitute legal advice. USCCA makes no claims, representations, warranties, promises, or guarantees as to the accuracy, completeness, or adequacy of the information disclosed.